Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie and I like to talk about handbags here on this channel, and I like to do some reviews. And if you're not new and returning, thank you so much for joining me again. Today I have a reveal of a bag that I got at Coach yesterday. It was just an amazing sale and I couldn't resist. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. I kind of like to get just right into bag reveals. So it is in this bag, and yeah, let's go ahead and show you what I got. It's right here. It's factory wrapped. There's actually two things that I got. One is a bag and then one is a little accessory. So I have already kind of done something to this bag within the packaging. You'll see. So let's go ahead and just take her on out. I got a factory wrapped a bag here, and it is the Coach Borough bag. And I have been eyeballing this bag, you guys. When it came out, I was like, that's so beautiful. It's so simple. I love the fact that it's glove tanned leather. And I just was so undecided on the color because I knew I wanted it one day and I was like waiting for it to go to sale. It did. It went to, I think it went to like 30% off or 40% off. And that's when I bought it yesterday. But guess what? Overnight, and today is June 6th, 2024, it just dropped to 50% off. So I got a price adjustment on it and I am so happy. So currently they have this bag in, so this is chalk, obviously, and then they have it in black and they have it in a gorgeous saddle color. You guys, the saddle is pretty popular. I think a lot of people are gonna want the saddle color. For me, I just have plenty of brown bags. Most of them are my Dooney bags. So, but no, I just really wanna go ahead and get this all unwrapped. I put on, from another one of my bags, I added a red coaching tag because I thought that that would be really fun to put on this bag. And then I did get something else to dress up this bag, but I just want to kind of show you real quick a little bit of the details on it. And then as I use it, I'm going to take this to Colorado with me, actually, as one of my bags. I'm gonna show you when I get back like a detailed review. So just one sec, I'm gonna detach the strap. Okay, yeah, I don't know if I mentioned to you guys the price of this bag right now, but it's down to $212.50 USD. Such a deal. It is a little bowler bag and very, very simple. It's just nice and sleek. I love that about this bag. It has the two little top handles that stick up on the top. It has no feet on the bottom. However, if you go over to Alyssa, she sells those handbag heels. I think that that would be perfect on this bag. But no, it's absolutely stunning. The thing I love about this bag is it's fully leather lined, completely leather lined on the inside. You guys, for a bag that's glove tanned leather, smooth, interior lined in leather, $212, it's a no-brainer. Like, seriously, rush out to get this bag. It has a super smooth zipper that you can do with one hand. Absolutely amazing. I love that the Coach branding is super minimal on this bag right there on the very front. And then it does come with a beautiful crossbody strap. And yeah, I'm probably gonna use this bag crossbody or by top handle. So you just hook it straight up to the strap connectors. I really appreciate that the strap connections on this bag are on opposite sides from each other and they're not here and here. Thank God they did not do that. It makes the bag way more functional that way to carry. So, oh my God, you guys, it is so, so pretty. I am going to attach my accessory now to this bag and kind of show you what that looks like with this bag now. So my accessory that I got is in this little box here, and I will show you that I did pick up the adorable little Rexy here. And it of course has the brass hardware, so it will go perfectly. I'm gonna play around with this like a little bit more, but this is just so fun. Like, I may or may not keep this red tag on it, but I just feel like that little Rexy looks adorable on this bag. It looks so cute. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think of it? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. It's so lightweight, it's so buttery, soft, and smooth. I know it's chalk. I'm a little concerned about color transfer potentially. I may spray this bag. I don't know. It's so cute. Let me attach my pride strap. I have to do that, you guys. Let me attach the pride strap. Okay, now I might be going a little overboard with like all the things. Do you know what I mean? Like, where's the bag? But I mean, it's like so fun, and I don't know. I kind of actually like the red hang tag on it, and I like the Rexy on it. I probably won't wear it with the pride strap. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's just the funnest bag. What a fun, like, summertime bag. So yeah, originally priced at $425. They're coming out with some more colors of the Borough bag. I know they're coming out with like a maple. I saw that online. But currently the black, the saddle, and the chalk are half price. So such a steal. And so race if you can. I think I got the last one at my store that was factory wrapped. And yeah, what am I gonna do? So I was gonna change out, I'm using currently my Idol bag right now, and I freaking love this bag. And then I do plan on changing into this bag to take it to Colorado with me. And yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to do a little reveal of this bag. Maybe I'll show you real quick what all I fit inside of it, just so you can see really fast in case you feel like, should I buy this bag? Is it a big enough size? Okay, I'm gonna throw my pouches. These are my sunglasses and my glasses. So that goes in. I have my Coach Pride card holder. That'll just go in. I think this bag will for sure fit a compact wallet, like a Win wallet would fit just fine in this bag. I have my two dress up your purse little pouches that I always carry with me. And then I have my hand sanitizer. I mean, everything just goes into the one big compartment here. And then I have gum. Now, I don't have my little catch-all, but you could probably fit like a Coach corner zip wristlet in this bag for sure. Yeah, I think that there's still plenty of space. And then one hand zip up. I mean, come on, you guys. This is so, so good. Oh, that's interesting how the accessory just goes all the way around the bag. But, oh, it's so good. The weight is so perfect. Love it. Let me just try it on here. Please excuse my outfit. It's not exactly the cutest, but what do you guys think? Yeah, I really, really find it so cute. It's like a nice little crossbody size. So, all right, so that's it, guys. Love it. Let me know if you have any questions about it. And I'm gonna link the store, my home store where I bought this in boutique yesterday. I'll go ahead and put their information in the description box below. Thanks, guys, for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.